Welcome to the tutorial that explains how to turn on, select temperatures, and turn off the device. TCC scissors are connected via a red cable to a control device. Before turning on the device, place the scissors back in their station. Turn on the TCC device by pressing and holding the on button for a few seconds. Now, the TCC logo and the on button will light up in white, and the device will switch to standby mode. You can select the temperature of the TCC scissors in this mode. First, press the on button to select 100 degrees. Press it again to select 120 degrees, and a third time to select 140 degrees. Having selected the temperature, wait as long as it takes to reach it. When the desired temperature is reached, the red light on the device will turn green. The TCC scissors are up to 140 degrees and ready for use. Can you change the temperature without turning off the device? Of course. The temperature can be changed at any time, even while cutting hair. How do you do this? Put your finger back on the on button and press it to select a new temperature. Having selected the temperature, wait as long as it takes to reach it. When the desired temperature is reached, the red light on the device will turn green. The temperature is now at 100 degrees and the TCC scissors are ready to cut again. Can you put the TCC device on standby during a haircut? Of course, just by holding down the on button for a few seconds. The TCC logo and the on button will light up in white, and the device will switch to standby mode. To turn off the device, you must always switch to standby mode. The turn-off procedure is very simple. Get close to the device and hold down the on button until you see all the lights go out. Now, finally remove the device from the power outlet. The process of turning on, choosing temperatures, and turning off is finished. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to contact us with any questions. See you at the next TCC Thermo Care Cut tutorial. Goodbye.